Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Honda HR-V maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons down here, up, down, and select for enter, and you're gonna have to pull it towards you to deactivate the button. And we're gonna be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. And if you have to push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. Now we're gonna actually be looking at the screen right here. As you can see, maintenance due soon. Go ahead and press that up button, the I button, until you find vehicle setting. Go ahead and select. Go ahead and scroll down or up until you find maintenance info. Go ahead and select that one. Go ahead and scroll up or down to reset. Select that reset. And that should do it, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.